Hello, purpose-driven entrepreneur. I have a question for you. Are you tired of funding your own projects and events or your nonprofit? Or what about your brand in general? If you are, great news. My name is Lori A. Mans, and I am with QualityMediaConsultants.com, where we help entrepreneurs and small business owners to get more dream clients, gain brand awareness, and grow revenue in record time. And one of the ways we do that is by showing you how to get corporate sponsors and grow your business. And the great news is that we are hosting Sponsorship Sales Secrets Live. This year in 2020, it will be a hybrid event. What does that mean? It's a virtual event and a live event all in one. On Friday, September 25th, we're going to discuss sales mastery. That's right, I'm going to share with you sales strategy to help you close the deal more often and get sales authentically and effectively. I'm going to share with you all the tools and tips you need to secure the bag when it comes to closing the deal. So we're going to talk about sales conversations, sales strategy, sales tactics, sales activities, sales objections, sales funnels, and the list goes on and on. I'm going to put some people in the hot seat and make sure you know how to pitch your business the most effective way. And then on Saturday, it's going to be live right here in Atlanta as we discuss sponsorship. We're going to talk about sponsorship from A to Z, folks. I'm going to share with you my 25 plus years of experience working with sponsors. I've worked with sponsors from corporations to local companies and everything in between. And so I want to share with you how to put together a sponsorship proposal, how to do it effectively. I want to share with you who to call on, who to talk to, what to say when you get them on the phone, what to say when you email them. I want to share with you what departments within the corporations you need to go for. I want to share with you how you get the money, how to look for where to get the money, and how to present yourself so that you're more sponsor attractive. Guys, we're going to dig deep. I'm going to put some people in the hot seats, and it's going to be amazing. When you leave this event, you'll know how to sell masterfully. You'll know how to get sponsors, and you will know how to make more money and grow your business. What you got to do? Go to sponsorshipsalesecrets.com to register. That's www.sponsorshipsalesecrets.com. If you are a purpose-driven entrepreneur and you are ready to take it to the next level and grow your income and your revenue, you don't want to miss Sponsorship Sales Secrets Live. And all you got to do is go to sponsorshipsalesecrets.com to register. I'll see you there.